Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for November 13th, 2025. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETFs that I research. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I'm only trying to help us both make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own. They're just that, opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. On this recording of JC Stocks and Markets Podcast, I'd like to feature a stock called 6th Street Specialty Lending Incorporated. TSLX is the ticker. That's TSLX. State Street is they're a specialty lending company. They provide senior loans, unsecured loans, mezzanine debt investments in corporate bonds and equity securities and structured products, non-controlled structured equity, common equity with focus on co-investments for organic growth or acquisitions, market or product expansion, restructuring initiatives, recapitalizations, and financing. Basically, they like to lend to middle market companies with enterprise value between 50 million and $1 billion, and EBIT between 10 million and 250 million. The debt transaction size is typically between 15 million and 350 million. As you can see in the chart that I put up for the first slide, I really like this. This is a well managed and really a healthy, financially healthy company. 6th Street is a $2 billion stock, and I've circled in the earnings per share, PE ratio, which is nice and low, forward PE, which is about the same, and the dividend, which is about 9.6%, real healthy dividend, paid quarterly. And the other thing I've noticed, or I did see when I was looking at 6th Street Specialty Lending, really the share price stays pretty stable. It's between about 18 and about 25 for the entire year, and essentially is up about 4% on a year-over-year basis with a 9% dividend, 9.6% dividend. Very nice return. That's one of the reasons that's attracted me to 6th Street. I don't own it, but I am looking at transferring some of my bonds, my corporate bonds out, and going with 6th Street for part of that. One thing I really liked about 6th Street when I looked in their investor presentation information is their basically how they approach investments. They have 3 different sectors that they really focus on. Good businesses with good capital structure, which is great. Challenged businesses with business models with good assets, and ones that are like kind of restructuring themselves, reorganizing a little bit so that they can get back on their feet again. And good businesses with a challenging capital structure, which means they're changing the way they're capitalizing their business. And that's one of the things 6th Street does, is kind of recapitalizes it to either provide more equity or more debt just to even out the balance. Really like that. And these guys are a master at it. Next slide I'm going to show you is something, again, out of their investor packet, but it really shows that they're invested in many, many different broad-scaled or broad industries across a spectrum of different industries. They're not picky. They're just really looking for good opportunity. Here are some key drivers of their return on equity. Total yield and debt about 12.1%. All-in yield on their assets, 13%. Net interest income return on equity, 20%. Operating return on equity, 12.3%. And base book dividend based on second quarter 2025, 10.7% on a year basis. Really nice and well-managed company. Last slide I want to show you about 6th Street Specialty Lending is really their financials here, the net investment income and net income. Basically, all these metrics you see here are pretty outstanding. Like I said, it's a well-managed company, consistent returns, nice dividend, growing dividend, If I was you, I would go take a look at it in their website. Take a look at it on different places, stockanalysis.com, Yahoo Finance is a good source for information too. But that's what I would do. Take a look. If you like what you see a little bit here, do some due diligence and see if it's the right one for you. This is JC Stocks and Markets podcast. Signing out, 6th Street Specialty Lending. I'm really excited about it. I just want to get some powder so I can maybe dip my toe in it. Anyway, until next time, happy investing and enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday. Bye now.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one.